Welcome to this video guide on finding your ideal academic companion PC. Whether you're researching, studying, or working, selecting the right computer is a crucial step for your success as a student. Choosing a computer requires a clear strategy. Start by determining your specific purpose, mapping the essential features you need, listing the core specifications, and finally, prioritizing the necessary hardware. Portability is key for students. Look for a lightweight laptop under 4 pounds to make carrying it across campus easier. Aim for a screen size between 13 and 15 inches for a balance of mobility and screen real estate. Your processor choice depends on your workload. For standard academic tasks, an Intel Core i3, i5, or Ultra 5 processor is sufficient. Creative and technical work, however, requires higher performance chips like an i7, i9, or Apple M2. RAM is your computer's short-term memory. 8 GB is the baseline for basic schoolwork, 16 GB is ideal for smooth multitasking, and 24 GB or more is recommended for power users and creators. For storage, solid-state drives or SSDs are essential for speed and durability. Aim for 256 or 512 GB for general use, or upgrade to 1 TB if you handle large files or enjoy gaming. Your operating system determines compatibility with your software. Windows is versatile for most tasks, macOS is often preferred by creative students, and Chrome OS is a simple, budget-friendly choice for web-based studies. Consider your daily interaction with the device. A full HD screen provides sharp, power-efficient visuals. Additionally, touchscreens can be a great asset for note-taking and creative drawing on compatible Windows and Chromebook devices. Don't overlook battery life and connectivity. Aim for 8 to 12 hours of battery to last your school day. Also, ensure the laptop has the ports you need, with USB-C and HDMI being standard for most modern peripherals. If you are on a budget, don't hesitate to consider refurbished models. They are often thoroughly cleaned and repaired to function like new, allowing you to stretch your funds without sacrificing quality. Finally, future-proof your purchase by selecting modern hardware. Choose recent processor generations, prioritize DDR5 RAM over older standards, and ensure you have an NVMe SSD for lasting performance throughout your academic journey.